This financial year came to a close with the markets finding a sense of stability after the turbulence of the past few months. March brought some relief as large cap indices staged a modest recovery while mid and small caps remained under pressure. Globally, the US Federal Reserve maintained a dovish tone, reinforcing expectations of rate cuts later in the year, while we have already seen a few rate cuts. However, inflationary pressures and geopolitical uncertainties continue to keep all investor sentiment on edge. At ithought, our focus predominantly remains steady backing businesses with strong fundamentals and staying committed to time-tested investment principles. And our portfolios are reflective of this conviction through thoughtful positioning and allocation. So here's how our strategies navigated the month and what lies ahead. Let's take a detailed look at the fact sheet for this month. First up, we have Solitaire. Solitaire continued to show its unwavering commitment to investing in consistent compounders with clean balance sheets and high earning visibility. In a market still favoring caution, our multi-cap strategies focus on quality over momentum served as a safety gate. While broader mid and small cap segments were challenged, Solitaire stayed aligned to its core philosophy. The performance summary is on your screen below, wherein this month, March 2025, clocked a 4.24% return. Although the near-term returns were modest, the long-term has significantly outperformed the benchmark, and we believe that staying invested in fundamentally strong businesses is the key to navigating uncertain phases and benefiting when market cycles turn favorable. So if you would like to add this to your portfolio, we're only a click away. Message us now. Next, we have TrueBlue, which invests in resilient large caps and provides stability. The month of March reinforced the role of large cap as a stabilizing force in portfolios. TrueBlue, our large cap focused strategy, stood its ground in a month where defensive sectors and market leaders regained some strength. By maintaining exposure to capital efficient, low debt companies, TrueBlue delivered a smoother ride for investors. To only validate this, of course, TrueBlue has performed very well in the long term, and the current month, March 2025, has given us a 5.18% return. With a beta lower than the index and minimal churn, TrueBlue remains well positioned to generate long-term compounding with reduced downside risk. So if you are ready to have a newer take on the blue chips, a click is all it takes to start your journey with TrueBlue. Get in touch with us today. Next, we have Vriddhi, a long-term focus in a tough small cap environment. So basically, the correction in small caps extended into March, putting pressure on returns across the board. However, Vriddhi continues to back scalable, well-governed companies with the potential to emerge as future leaders. Our process-intensive research approach ensures that we stay prepared for opportunities that arise post-corrections. As you see the performance summary on your screen, the month of March delivered a return of 4.80%. We continue to believe that small cap investing rewards patience. Historical data supports the view that sustained investing in quality small caps across cycles can deliver meaningful long-term wealth creation. So if niche market leaders sound exciting to you, you know where to find us. Message us on WhatsApp right away. Next, we speak about a star, Sphere, a multi-asset star. Sphere, our multi-asset PMS, demonstrated resilience once again. Through a diversified allocation across equities, global assets, and precious metals, the strategy was able to manage volatility while capturing upside in select segments. March saw a measured improvement in performance as market breadth started to improve. Sphere has been our star performer for the month, so let's quickly look at its performance numbers. The 1 month performance has been 6.57%, which has basically outperformed the benchmark by a huge margin. So Sphere remains a preferred option for investors seeking smoother compounding through diversification, tactical allocation, and a macro-aware investment framework. So for a dynamic strategy with a macro twist, Sphere is your go-to. Drop us a message and let's chat. Our last PMS product is NEO. NEO, our PMS for NRIs, continues to combine the strength of Indian equities with a balanced multi-asset allocation framework. March was constructive for the portfolio as global markets held firm and domestic equity valuations adjusted to more reasonable levels. In terms of performance, the 1 month of March delivered returns of 6.05%. By blending local insights with global exposure, Neo delivers a diversified, growth-oriented portfolio tailored for the long-term goals of non-resident investors. So NRIs, if you're looking for a fund that speaks your language, Neo is the perfect fit. Reach out to us on WhatsApp today.